Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices for another quick and easy recipe. Today I'm going to share to you how I made this very quick and easy and delicious teriyaki chicken. If you want to learn how I made this, keep on watching. The full list of ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. I have here is a chicken thighs, bone in, garlic, ginger powder, white pepper, soy sauce, mirin, sake, you could get this at the Asian market, rice vinegar, sesame seeds for toppings. We're going to use cooking oil, white and brown sugar as well. In a wok, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the chicken. Cook the side of the chicken, each side of the chicken until lightly brown. Make sure you're cooking this on a very high heat. Season it with pepper and salt. Flip on the other side. Make sure both sides are lightly brown. Transfer the chicken to a plate. Remove half of the oil. You're just going to need a slight oil. Go ahead and add the garlic. Cook the garlic until lightly brown. Add soy sauce. Sake. Mirin. The ginger powder, you could use a freshly grated ginger, and white pepper and some salt. Add the white sugar and the brown sugar. Mix until white sugar and brown sugar are completely dissolved. You could adjust the taste later on. Adjust it to your liking. Once it starts bubbling like this, taste. If you need to adjust the seasoning, go ahead and adjust it. Add about half a teaspoon of the rice vinegar, and then add your chicken. Make sure both sides of the chickens are well coated with the sauce, with the teriyaki sauce. You're going to simmer this on a low to medium heat for about 15 minutes. Make sure you're going to flip this on each side every 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it so you don't want the sauce to completely gone. Make sure to flip on each side every 5 minutes so both sides of the chicken get that well coated with the sauce. Again, this is a very easy teriyaki chicken recipe. If you just follow the ingredients, the measurement as well of the sauce, then you could make this on your own. The only thing you need to adjust later on is maybe the salt and the sugar. But other than that, the measurements works fine. And this is done. Make sure that you still have sauce for your chicken, for your rice. I already cooked some white rice. I will include a link down below how you could cook a white rice using your rice cooker. So what I have here is just a plain jasmine white rice. And then I just add a little bit of broccoli. And then I'm just gonna put that teriyaki chicken. And don't forget the sauce. Now, if you want more sauce, all you have to do is double the amount of the ingredients. That's all you need to do. And there you go, top it with the toasted sesame seeds. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Keep supporting us, guys. Thank you for coming back, and please see us again soon. Until next time, ciao.